Hi, Dad.
Hi.
I know. Hi, boys.
Not no more so than the bike.
Wes, Max. Hey. No. Oh, they love it.